had a day when you're busy, right? Your day has just flown by, you've done all this stuff, but then you're thinking, what did I get done today, right? Stand up if you felt that way.
What are we doing with our time? When you intentionally know where your time is going, you can get anything you want.
Take control of your time, and you're going to start reaching goals faster than you ever have before, simply by eliminating the stuff that's holding us back from it.
I scrolled down the results, and I saw it. J-Lo's having triplets. I was like, what? J-Lo's having triplets? Did she just have twins? She looks so good. Did she ever eat? And there was, first search, it was a sign from God. Pottery barn. I had not repotted my plants outside. They are dying. It is so cold. Jumped on Facebook, found that out. And the insanity went on for another 18 minutes. Until I came up for air. All right, y'all, if you find yourself perpetually distracted, unfocused.
Distractions are thieves. Distractions, they steal your time. Distractions steal your sales. Distractions steal your growth. And distractions steal your productivity. It's not turning it over next to you and then go willpower. Who is not going to look at that? By the third time, you're like, I'll just, all right. And then we get distracted again. So turning it off means power off in your desk, in your purse, put it away 30 minutes.
And each and every one of you has these priorities, right? You know what they are. And they get shoved, they get lost, they get pushed back to the end of the day. Or sometimes they just don't happen. Maybe it's sales, maybe it's customer relationships, maybe it's networking, maybe it's developing a new skill, maybe it's taking control of your health, maybe it's exercising, maybe it's a relationship in your own home.
You have to stand for one of the three, so I'm going to catch you if you're not standing. Awesome. Look at all your colleagues and peers and hold each other accountable to this. I think in 3 days, if you do any one of these things, you're going to say, I can't believe I wasn't doing this sooner. I can't believe how much I got done. So I blocked that time on my day on Friday to respond to your emails because I want to get them and I want to hear how awesome you're doing, how much more you're getting done, how you can't believe what a big difference this has made.